In this video, I'm going to review how to create a digital estimate in PrintPoint. I'm going to start by clicking on my estimate list view, clicking the New button, select my customer. If my customer is new, I can use the New button to add them to my list. Select my contact. Next, I type in my project name. I click the plus button and select digital. As you can see, my project name was entered here automatically, so I can just click into my job name and replace package with cell sheet, so my name is very specific. Next, I hit tab to go into my item description. Here I can type in cell sheet, I can scroll to find it, or I can click add new item if the item I'm looking for is not in my list yet. I'm going to hit my enter key to select cell sheets. That automatically drops me down to my part. Here I'm going to select the dash. Now I'm down to run as. I would like it to run as a unit, not a book. And I have one original because I only have one version of this cell sheet. Next, I click Visual Setup. This is where I can select my press. My press does have defaults with it, so when I hit select here, you see it fills in a finish size, flat size, press sheet size, and parent sheet size. Those are all defaults with the press. Here, my finish size is actually going to be an 8.5 by 11, so I can just click here and type in 8.5 by 11. My flat sheet size will also be 8.5 by 11, but my parent sheet size is perfect. Now I'm going to use my match paper selector. I have the filter already set to 12 by 18 without having to click on it. I can come over to the weight and filter down a little further, and there's my paper. I hit select. At this point, I just need to change my inks. So I go over here to sides and colors, and I make it 4/4 because I want full color on both sides. I click OK from here. The only thing I have left to do is change my quantity. I want 2,500 for quantity, so I just select, type it in, and hit tab. Let's say I want to do 5,000 in B and 10,000 in C. At this point, I can add a pre-press item or a post-press item, but there'll be more on that in another video. I'm ready to save, so I select the Save button. As you can see here in my master estimate, here's the item. If I select Save, here is my estimate in my list view.